Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my fourth video. Today I'll share 10 biggest career mistakes. I'll take only 5 minutes to share the biggest career mistakes point. So here we start. Friends, career path is differ from one to another but important to all. Guys, one thing is sure. If you are not making mistakes, probably you are not progressive. Mistakes are going to happen, it's a part of your life and universal truth. Therefore, I put top 10 things together, biggest career mistakes, and how to avoid them and learn them how to deal before they drop you in a difficult situation. So, first point is escalator to top. Thinking that career is an escalator to top, it's correct. But nowadays, it's a game of snakes and ladders. You never know where you start and someday where to land up. Better to wait a golden opportunity which probably fit you in a better position. Climbing a corporate ladder is a jungle gym. Take some back steps and wait for door opening. Once it open, run fast and get it. Second point, costing. It's good for personal life but disaster for professional life as well as career. You need to control your career future. It's competitive job market and job relevancy always changing. Use your spare time to upscale your energy to learn new critical aspects which helps you to generate more profits. Third one, stuck in a dead end job and no plans. Think horizontal growth if no expansion plan is available in current organization. Successful person always have a career plan. They know their destination. Fourth, hating what you do. Friends, sometimes difficult to manage few aspects, but hating your current job does not support your career. One third life you guys spend in your job. Try to respond your problems and resolve it. Fifth, career is not a choice. Rich kids have successful business and enjoy their lives but could not possible in case of general kids as they need moral as well as emotional support from friends and relatives. Therefore, trust yourself and your instinct. Sixth point, not dressing for success. First impression is a move to get chance which is utmost required to fulfill the initials. Sometimes it give you a break in a meeting and interview when you dressed well. Seventh point, leaving your boss out of the loop. Friends, try to develop good relations with your boss. Try to take advice from them in critical objects and share them where you want to be in next year or next 5 years. They could support and guide you in your career path. Eighth point, changes and mentorship. The world is not fixed and it's evolving every year like your job market. Short courses can attach you in relevant job markets and help you. Missing out a mentorship does not support you because support and advice always come from mentorship. Ninth point, throwing away the key. In what matter you leaving the job does not matter. Always leave the organization in a good book. You never know, your job can might show up as a senior again in next organization. 10th and the last point of my video, not working, networking. Don't underestimate the importance of connections. In case you don't know where to start, how to start, make a crash course to help you with your old connections, and it will definitely help you. Still with us, here is a bonus point for you. Identify yourself, find your unique strength, and work accordingly. Valuable skills should be noticed and matched with relevant tasks to get recognized in organization. Thanks for watching until the end. Please subscribe, like and share with your friends.